Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to tell you that how you can download Wondershare Filmora X for free. So before downloading I would like to show you that I am deleting that software from my device before you. So here I have went on control panel and then uninstall program. Here all the programs come that you want to delete or that are on your device. So I will double click on Wondershare Filmora X and then yes, and the installation panel will appear before me. So it's loading as you can see on the cursor, and here's the notification. Yes, next, uninstall status, uninstalling Filmora Wondershare X. So this software is being uninstalled from my device and it would get uninstalled soon. And here's the web page which shows that why are you uninstalling, but it is of no use, so I am closing it. And almost the uninstallation has been done, and here it's done. So I would do yes, and it would get uninstalled on its own. So now we can start our process. So first for downloading Filmora Wondershare X, you need to go on Google Chrome. So I have opened Google Chrome. I prefer this browser because this is fast and secure too. After going on Google Chrome, you need to type Wondershare Filmora. So here it is. If you want 9, then you can type it, Wondershare Filmora X. Here it is. So I have clicked on it, and here's the web page that comes after it, and here I have clicked on the website from where we are going to download, and this is the official software, so no need to worry about cracked software. And I have given the link of this web page in the description box. You can go and check it. So here it is. And now, so there are 4 options which are given here. First is watch the film. It means that there is a short video on YouTube which will explain that how is Filmora Wondershare X. Then second is go to Mac version, which means that if you want to download download the software for Mac, you can click here. Third one is for free download for Windows, and fourth is for buy now. So for buy now you need to pay and buy it, and for free download it's free for Windows and also for Mac. So I will show for Windows. So I will now click on free download, and where you need to also click here. After you click here, the download application will start to download, and a save as dialog box will appear on your Google Chrome if you have changed the settings of Google Chrome to default location. And if you have not changed the settings, then it would directly download on your downloads folder. So I will select download folder and save. So as you can see, the download has started and finished also. So let me go to the downloads folder. So this PC, and here is my downloads folder. So downloads, and here is the application that we have downloaded from the website. So I have double clicked it to open it, and it will open soon. And after double clicking it, there would be a notification which would be user account control notification. It would ask that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. So you need to click yes. After you click yes, the setup will start to appear. So here's the setup. Then you need to click on install. After you click this, some notification would come, or on your PC it would directly start like this. On my one there was some problem, so the notification came, but on your one this would be directly like this, from 0 to this much. And as it would take long to download, I would cut the video from here to shorten the video. As you can see that the download from 70% is now on 81%, and it is getting ahead very early, and it would end easily after a bit of time. I prefer this video editor because it's very nice, and there are many options that you can choose to edit your video. And here are some of its clips that tell their options, that what is in this software, and many users use this, and more animations are there, then film tracks are there, etc, etc. There is too much in this software. So you can see all the slides that are showing about this software. From this video you cannot just edit a video or make a video, you can also combine images to make a video, then add voiceovers and different titles, subtitles to it. Then you can make a intro video for YouTube and many other videos, like the full main video for YouTube. There are many options in this software. As you can see that 98% has been finished, and it would get finished in a short period of time. So if it does not finish, I am skipping this part. As the installation would complete, your default browser, which would be either Google Chrome if you have changed the browser, or Microsoft Edge. So when it would complete, this would open automatically on your default browser, and it would show thanks for downloading. So there is no need for this, so I am closing this. And as you saw that I had deleted it from my PC, and I have installed it again, so it is being started now again. So as you can see, it is starting as I have downloaded it. So let us go and check in the control panel that whether it has downloaded or not. So I went to control panel, and then uninstall a program. So here all the programs come which are there on your PC. So after going to the bottom, as Filmora Wondershare, so W, and here it is Filmora Wondershare X, which we have downloaded just now only, and here's the date 15th, which is today's day. So I have closed it, and the Filmora Wondershare has started. So let us click on new project. So I am doing this to show you that it is working or not. So you can see that I have downloaded it, and here's the main and original software, and no crack or illegal softwares are attached with this. So let me show you one video now only, which I would create now. So here, add to project, and here is the video, one more video, and here it is. So as I play, I have not played the audio as there is no more audio with this now, as I have not installed it yet because I have installed the software just now. So as you saw, this is amazing software and a free. So please use this trick to download this software and have fun with this. Thank you.